Hello guys, welcome back to the Lost Artistry Lash channel. My name's Caitlin and today we're going to be diving into how to take care of your lash extensions at home. Doesn't have to be difficult, but it is so important. Rule number one, try your best not to touch your lash extensions. I know that they are there and I don't know if you're like me, you want to touch them, but please don't. Your fingers have oils in them and oils equal removal. So even if it's not your fingers touching your lashes with oils, steer clear of any oils. Facial products, mascaras, cleansing, anything with oils in it, keep it away from the eyes. On that note of oils, if you sleep on your face and your face is sandwiched into the pillow, you have so many oils in your eyelids and on your face and your cheek and your hands. So if you're sleeping like this, and you're wondering why a corner of your lashes are falling off faster than anywhere else, it might be that there's so many oils and so much heat around the side of your eye that you sleep on that might be why they're falling out. So try to sleep on your back. It's not really realistic for everyone, but just be at least a little bit aware of it. Number two, clean them every single day. This is so important. Clean your lashes every single day with an oil-free, lash-safe cleanser. Now, for those of you who are watching at home who aren't lash extension artists, you might notice, especially if you wear volume lash extensions, that when you cleanse your lash line, some of the lashes come out, they shed. Don't worry, that doesn't mean that there's anything bad about the cleanser. It doesn't mean that your lashes are going to look bad or you're going to lose your natural lashes forever. This is just a healthy part of the lash cycle. So we constantly are growing and shedding our natural lashes. That's very healthy. It's really important that that happens actually. But when you're cleansing, what happens is any lashes that got kind of stuck together by the other surrounding lashes kind of held it into place. When you cleanse, those will release. So as long as when you're cleansing, there's no pulling or tugging feeling, that's great. It just means that the natural lash was ready to go. With that said, if it is tugging or pulling, there's something not right. Maybe you're cleaning too aggressively, or maybe the lash artist that you're seeing stuck some lashes together and it might be pulling on the follicles. So make sure that it's not uncomfortable. In fact, wearing lash extensions should be so comfortable you shouldn't even feel them. Next, don't pick, pull, tug, anything on your lashes. You don't want to be picking them. It's so easy to want to push them up and just push them off. Don't do that. It's not only going to prevent your lashes from lasting, of course, but on top of that, you could do permanent damage to your natural lash follicle. If you damage your natural lash follicle, it could actually prevent your lashes from ever growing back. No picking, absolutely none. If you feel your lash extensions are really annoying, ask your lash artist to bump down the diameter and the dimension that they're using so that you cannot feel them and it's impossible for you to pick them. Next up, try to avoid putting a lot of makeup on the eye area if you can. Don't worry, Lost Artistry Lash Foam Cleanser is also a makeup remover. So if you wear makeup daily, it's okay. Just use the foam cleanser, give it a really deep rinse, and make sure that those bristles are getting in between every single natural lash so that there's no buildup around the base, because that's the most important spot to keep clean. And it's also the spot that the dirt and makeup buildup, it's where it wants to collect. So you really need to get in close to that follicle. But on the makeup scene, stay away from waterproof mascara or waterproof eyeliner. The reason why is because it needs oils to be removed, so it's a no-go. Definitely none of that. If you're gonna use makeup, just make sure it's easy to remove with a water-based solution. Next up, brush your lashes every single day. You should have been given a little spoolie from your lash artist. Just take that, give them a nice brush. Hot tip, I like to brush them down instead of up. Kind of brushes everything into place. I personally like doing that. I do it for my clients. It always makes the lashes look amazing. So if you notice they look kind of messy when you brush up, just brush down instead. Okay, and last thing I want to talk about today is how to maintain your natural lash health beneath the extensions at home. So if you want your lashes to be fluffier and bigger every single time that you go to your lash extension appointment, but your natural lashes just aren't complying, they're a little on the finer side, I highly recommend lash gains. It's our growth serum here at Lost Artistry, and you put it on your lash line every single day. It'll help your natural lashes grow in both length and thickness, so it'll make them nice and strong. It's honestly a very simple solution. It has peptides and vitamins in it that's going to really enrich your natural lashes and basically feed them with the nutrients that they need to grow and be as strong as possible. The reason why I suggest lash gains over other serums, and I'm not saying that all are bad, they're not, but some are not compatible with lash extension glue. So if you're wearing lash extensions and you want to keep using your serum, it's really important to get one that is compatible with lash extensions. Otherwise, you'll get a buildup on your lash line that's really hard to get rid of. Sometimes it can even turn your lash glue white. So steer clear of that. Make sure that if you are using a growth serum, it's fine as long as it's lash safe. Alrighty guys, that pretty much sums up today's video. If you have any questions about the things that we just discussed, or you have burning lash questions that you would like answers to, please comment them below. We would love to tailor our videos to your lash questions. And if you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, of course, ring that bell so that you're always notified when we post brand new lash content. See you in the next one.